In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job board to your Wix website. If you're looking to create a professional and functional way to list job openings on your site, you've come to the right place. With just a few easy steps, you can enhance your website's functionality and provide your visitors with a seamless experience when browsing through opportunities. Whether you're running a company website, a recruitment platform, or just want to showcase job listings for your audience, this walkthrough will guide you through everything you need to know. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Elfsight website. Once you're there, navigate to the My Apps section. This is where all the magic happens. From here, click on the Catalog option. The catalog is essentially a collection of widgets and tools that Elfsight offers, and you'll find a variety of options to enhance your website. To locate the job board widget specifically, use the search bar at the top of the page and type in the word job. This will quickly filter through the options and bring up the job board widget that we'll be working with today. Once you see it, go ahead and click on the job board widget to get started. Now, you'll see a variety of templates available to choose from. These templates are designed to suit a wide range of website styles and layouts. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the one that best matches your website's design and aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, click on Continue with this template to move forward. At this point, you'll be ready to start customizing your job board. Begin by clicking the Add Job button. This is where you'll enter all the details about the job openings you want to display. Start by entering the job title. Make sure it's clear, detailed, and concise so that potential applicants immediately understand the role. For example, instead of just writing Manager, you might want to specify something like Marketing Manager or Operations Manager. Next, fill in the company information. This step is important because it lets candidates know who the employer is. Include relevant details such as the company name, a brief description, or any other pertinent information that makes the listing more professional and trustworthy. After that, specify the department the job falls under. This helps categorize the listing and makes it easier for candidates to find the roles that match their expertise. Once all the details have been added, click on the Publish button to save your job listing. Don't worry, this isn't the final step just yet. Now it's time to select a pricing plan. For the purposes of this tutorial, select the free plan. This gives you access to the basic features you'll need to add the job board to your website. After choosing the free pricing plan, click on Copy Code. This generates a snippet of code that you'll use to embed the job board into your Wix website. With the code copied, let's move over to the Wix website editor. In your Wix editor, locate and click on the ++ icon. This is the button you'll use to add new elements to your site. From the menu that appears, select the Embed Code option and then choose Embed HTML. A pop-up box will appear, and this is where you'll paste the code snippet that you copied from Elfsight. Once you've pasted the code, click on the Update button to save the changes. This step integrates the job board directly into your Wix website, making it fully functional and visible to your visitors. And there you have it. Your job board is now live on your Wix website and ready to help you connect with potential candidates. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.